Modern driving can make engines work harder. Dirt and sludge can build up, and if left untreated, can block vital oilways, restricting the flow of oil to critical engine parts. This can lead to damage and reduced efficiency, even in new vehicles. Designed for powerful cleaning and ease of use, Castrol Engine Shampoo is a pre-oil change treatment designed to maintain engine cleanliness and efficient operation. Added to the engine at its next service before the oil change, it mixes with the existing engine oil and is left to work for 10 minutes as the engine idles. Its powerful cleaning agent gets to work and removes significant amounts of engine sludge, capturing dirt particles to help them drain freely, leaving the engine cleaner and ready for a refill of fresh oil. Solvent-free, Castrol Engine Shampoo has been specifically developed to be kind to parts while actively cleaning the engine. Castrol Engine Shampoo, the power clean for engines.